Check that out. Really nice glow to it and pairs really nicely with our other RGB in the case. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the tforce Delta RGB DDR4 gaming RAM. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this RAM or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail packaging right here. Check it out. Everything looks great. We have 2 sticks of 8 GB each of DDR4, bringing our total to 16 GB. And this obviously has RGB per the product name, and you can see it a little bit even from within the packaging. But I bought this particular RAM because it was one of the most affordable white sticks of RAM I could find on the market today. This product also comes with a lifetime warranty. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see we have the backing of our product packaging right here with additional product information. Next, we have the tforce sticker followed by our user guide and manual. Lastly, you can see the 2 sticks of RAM right here. They look great. tforce Delta R with our product information. Really nice RGB up at the top, white cover. Check those out. Looks really nice. You can see all of our pins as well. And there it is from the top. We have the tforce logo and branding visible. Both are identical to each other, so we can look at the other one too. You can see it right here. So everything looks great. Now let's go ahead, let's get these installed. So here's our PC built. You can see the RAM, we have it installed. It looks great. We have it set to a static white to match the theme of this build. I'm really happy with how soft and diffused the light is, yet it's still really bright and vibrant. So you can see the lovely RAM in there with the tforce branding up at the top. It looks really nice. And now for fun, we're looking at it with the lights off, but check that out. Really nice glow to it and pairs really nicely with our other RGB in the case. So now to enable our X.M.P profile, multiple ways you can do it, but the easiest one is go ahead, see where it says X.M.P disabled right here, just select this. And you can see, there we go. It now has the profile for our RAM. And we're all set and ready to go to save and exit and get those faster speeds. So now you can look at the memory settings within Windows Task Manager. So we got 16 gigs of RAM, 4.9 out of 15.9 used. And down here you can see we have a confirmed speed of 3600 megahertz. Everything's working great.